stop guessing on why your Roblox UI is missing and the menus are disappearing. This is exactly how you beat it without failing once. Most other tutorials tell you to just refresh the page or reinstall the whole game, which is completely wrong because this is actually a browser-side rendering error caused by the 2026 site architecture. Before we enter the settings, you need to understand the logic of why the sidebar and top bar vanish, or you'll just get stuck with a blank screen again on your next login. We're going to do this hand in hand, step by step, so you cannot fail to get your interface back to normal. Here at Rexish, we are the authority on these Roblox site fixes, and we have identified a specific conflict with your local site cache. First, you must bypass the standard reload by pressing Ctrl and F5 simultaneously on Windows or Command, Shift, and are on Mac to force a hard refresh that ignores a corrupted UI script stored in your browser. The secret trick that other creators missed is that the new Roblox layout auto-hides the navigation menus if your browser zoom is set even slightly above 100% due to a responsive design bug. Press Ctrl and 0 right now to reset your zoom level to exactly 100% and watch the sidebar reappear instantly. If the menus are still missing, navigate to your browser's cookie settings and delete only the ones specifically named Roblox Security and Guest Data to force a clean handshake with the Roblox servers without losing your login. This clears the broken layout flags and restores the disappearing search bar and settings icon immediately. Comment below if you want a fix for the missing chat button in Game Next.